Hi friends, so let us discuss test number 14 today. So we have been discussing this program right from the date 5th of April. So you might have noticed we are trying to cover all the models that are related to SBA PO prelims. Okay, సో ఇదే మోడల్ అడుగుతాడు, లేకపోతే ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాడు, ఇదే టాపిక్లో అడుగుతాడు అట్లా అనుకోకూడదు. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రిపేర్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ద ఏరియాస్. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్ ప్లీజ్ నాట్ కీపింగ్ ఇన్ వ్యూ దాట్ మన పేపర్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ అంతా కూడా అలాగే ఉంది. ఓకే, సో హోప్ యుల్ అవైల్ దిస్ వండర్ఫుల్ ఛాన్స్. Come on, see, first 31 to 35, that's based on coded inequalities. So first one తీసుకోండి. When you take their conclusion, they're discussing between M and S. Okay, when you look at here, see, M is connected to P. Okay, then P is connected to X. Right, MP kada. Right, see, M is connected to P. P is connected to X. Okay, so based on that, what you can say, when you look at that, we can say first one is correct. Okay, we want to know between M and S kada. See, M and S, M is connected to A, S is connected to A, so M is greater than S, so first one is valid. Second one, X is equal to S, no, that's not correct. X is equal to S, that's not correct, because X is connected to P, so when you take that, that's not possible. So 31st question only, first one is valid. Second one, yeah, see, they are discussing between D and A. Okay, now when you look at here, see, D and A, see, A is greater than M, M is less than D, so opposite symbols, so there is a reason first one is not valid. Second one, they are discussing between M and Q. Okay, see, M is greater than equal to Q, that is wrong. సి మనం చూడంగానే మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. అక్కడ చూడండి ఏమి ఇచ్చారు స్టేట్మెంట్లో, ఎమ్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఈక్వల్ టు పి. ఓకే, దెన్ పి ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ క్యూ, సో వీ కెన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ సే ఎమ్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ క్యూ. ఇన్ దట్ వే ప్లీజ్ నాట్, సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నాట్ వ్యాలిడ్, సో ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్. 33rd, yeah, see, they are discussing between K and C. Okay, K and C, now it's very clear. మీరు ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ తీసుకోండి, ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు పి, పి ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఈక్వల్ టు సి అని ఇచ్చారు కదా. K is greater than A, so directly K ముందు పెట్టుకోండి మీరు అక్కడ. సో వీ కెన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ సే దట్ K is greater than A, okay, and A is greater than C, so we can say K is greater than C, so first option is correct. Second one, they are discussing between P and M. See, P కి M కి స్టేట్మెంట్లో చూడంగానే మనం అప్లై చేయొచ్చు. P కి M కి ఆపోజిట్ సింబల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, సో రూల్డ్ అవుట్. సో 33rd క్వశ్చన్ ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్. 34, they are discussing between D and Z. See, D and Z, అసలు మీరు యూ నీడ్ నాట్ పుట్ పెన్ ఆన్ ద పేపర్. అక్కడ చూడండి, D is greater than Y, Y is greater than equal to Z, so we can say D is greater than Z, so first one is correct. Second one, they are discussing between L and Y. Okay, L and Y, now see, L అన్న P అన్న D అన్న ఒకటే కదా, సో L is less than P. Okay, P అంటే D. Okay, so Y is less than D, so we can definitely say that Y is less than L or L is greater than Y, so that is correct. So 34th question, both are valid, fifth option. Come on, 35. Okay, they are discussing between P and R. See, P and R తీసుకోండి, P is equal to N. Okay, P is equal to N అన్నప్పుడు you can't say P is equal to R, that is not correct, because R is greater than equal to P కదా, so first one is ruled out. Second one, D and N. See, D and N. See, R, చూడండి అక్కడ N is less than equal to R, R is less than equal to L, L is less than D. So we can definitely say that D is greater than N. But మీ కన్క్లూషన్లో ఏమి ఇచ్చారు, D is lesser than N. So that is wrong. So 35th question, fourth option. Okay, right. Now come to 36 to 40. Okay, they're discussing about 7 members. Okay, referring, see, they represent different places. Okay, and each one competing for a different sport. Okay, see, this is a classification puzzle test. So come on, let us put a table. Right, come on. Okay, total 7 persons are there. Okay, there are two factors, right? One is they're discussing on the place, other one is they are discussing about like to which sport they are competing. Okay, now let us put in short form. See, first one తీసుకుంటే అక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చారు, ప్లేసెస్ తీసుకుంటే హైదరాబాద్, సో లెట్ us put H, గుంటూరు, కర్నూలు, విశాఖపట్నం, సూర్యాపేట్, సిద్దిపేట్, విజయవాడ. Okay, 7 places. Next you talk about the sport to which they are competing. See, volleyball, archery, okay, rifle shooting, tennis, basketball, boxing and football. Okay, right. Now, so as I told you earlier, whenever you are attempting any question either on seating arrangement or on puzzle test, మనం ఒక టెక్నిక్ గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. Read the question first, focus on డెఫినెట్ డేటా. సో ఈ షార్ట్ కట్ ఎప్పుడు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి, క్వశ్చన్ చదవండి, ఎక్కడెక్కడ మనకి కాంక్రీట్ డేటా ఉందో యూ పికప్ ద డేటా, యూ ఎంటర్ ఇన్ టు ద టేబుల్, సో దట్ బికమ్స్ ఈజీ ఫర్ యూ టు ఆన్సర్ దట్. చూడండి, డి రిప్రజెంట్స్, ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ ఫోకసింగ్ ఆన్ ద స్ట్రైట్ అవే డెఫినెట్ పాయింట్స్. ఓకే, సే డి రిప్రజెంట్స్ గుంటూరు ఫర్ ఆర్చరీ, సో డి రిప్రజెంట్స్ గుంటూరు for archery. Come on, put it here. Okay, now what do you do? Eliminate Guntur, eliminate archery, eliminate. Next, G represents Hyderabad, but not for volleyball or rifle shooting. Come on, put it here. Negative data, volleyball, rifle shooting. Hyderabad, eliminate Hyderabad. Okay, E represents Vijayawada. Come on, eliminate Vijayawada. E represents Vijayawada for basketball. Come on, put it here. Basketball, eliminate basketball. Okay, A competes for volleyball. A competes for volleyball. Come on, eliminate volleyball. Okay, but not from Kurnool, so he's not from Kurnool. Come on, put it here. Okay, next, F competes for rifle shooting. Rifle shooting, RS in పెట్టుకుందాం, rifle shooting. Come on, eliminate. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are eliminated. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 eliminated. Now we are left with boxing, football, tennis. Here we got 1, 2, 3 are eliminated. Okay, right. So in this way, first of all, enter the concrete data. Now focus on other data. See, the one who represents Siddipet competes for boxing. So let us put like this. Okay, ఎవరైతే సిద్దిపేట నుంచి ఉన్నారో they are competing for boxing. Okay, next one, the one who represents Suryapet. Come on, put it here. Suryapet, what is given? Competes for tennis. Okay, next, C does not represent Kurnool or Siddipet. C does not represent Kurnool or Siddipet. Okay, Siddipet. Now, how to find out? See, here all volleyball is come. Okay, now see, you have to get like this. See, 2 slots have to fill up. చూడండి, ఇక్కడ 1 and 2 ఆర్ దేర్. ఓకే, సో డెఫినెట్గా ఈ డేటా మనకి ఇక్కడే రావాలి, బికాజ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ వాలీబాల్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్ ఉంది. సో దిస్ డేటా షుడ్ బి హియర్. నో సి, సిద్దిపేట్ పర్సన్ కెనాట్ బి హియర్, సో డెఫినెట్లీ దిస్ పర్సన్ విల్ బి Suryapet. Come on, eliminate Suryapet. Tennis. Okay, automatically Siddipet will be here. Okay, Siddipet, eliminate Siddipet. Boxing. Okay, come on, boxing, eliminate. Tennis, eliminate. Now left with football comes here. Okay, now this person cannot be from Kurnool, so automatically this person will be from Kurnool. Come on, eliminate Kurnool. We are left with now Visakhapatnam, so Visakhapatnam comes here. So simple, right? Come on, see, no questions. 36, which of the following combination is correct? Now please note, you have to know a technique. Whenever you're attempting any questions either on puzzle test or seating arrangement, we have to always look at the options. ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ చూడండి, which of the following options is correct అంటే 4 are wrong కదా. సో మనం చేసిన తప్ప రైటో కూడా వెరిఫై చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో దిస్ వే క్వశ్చన్స్ విల్ గివ్ us additional information or questions help us in verification whether we have done right or wrong. Right. సో ఇక్కడ చూడంగానే మనం చెప్పచ్చు, 4th one తీసుకోండి, C tennis Suryapet. So that is correct. So 36th C option. Which of the following combination is correct? Come on, తీసుకోండి, 4th one, B Siddipet. That is correct. 37, 4th option. 38, A represents which place? Vizag. So 38th, first option. 39, the one who competes for rifle shooting. represents which place? Kurnool. So 39 second option. 40th, for which game does G compete? G competes for which game? Football. So 40th, second option. Come on, now come to 41 to 45. See, again this is a puzzle test. Again that's a classification model. Okay, see they're discussing about 7 persons. Okay, 7 friends basically from their 3 different companies A, B and C. See, out of 7 friends there are 3 ladies. And you see what the condition they gave you, 3 ladies among the 7 friends who work in each of the 3 companies. So each lady is from each company. So one lady should be from A, other lady should be from B, other lady should be from C. So ee condition eppudu manam gurtinchukovali. Okay, come on. Let us again put the table and let us find out. Okay, so come on. P, Q, R, S, T, W, Z. Okay. Now please understand there are 3 factors here. One is gender. Okay. Other one they're talking about the specialization. Department. Okay, department, and they're talking about company. So let us put like this. Negative data, let us put it here. So gender, let us say department. Okay, this is company. We know that there are 3 companies A, B, C. Okay, now see department, what they say? 2 are from finance, 2 are from marketing, 1 each from accounts, production and personal, right? Now I told you, first of all, ఏం చేయాలి మనం? Focus on definite data. See, R works in the same company as P. Come on, let us put like this. R works in the same company as P. Who works in personal? Who ante P? P works in personal. Okay, personal in company B. So please note these 2 persons work in company B. Next. Okay, no lady works in production or personal. So definitely this person is male. Right. Next. T works in finance. T works in finance department in company A, and his brother, so T is a male, and his brother W, so W is brother, W is male. Okay, in which department? Accounts in company C. Okay, yes works in production. Yes works in production. Now please remember the condition. Say what all the conditions that you read, అది మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. వాళ్ళు ఏమన్నారు, ఎవరైతే పర్సనల్ ప్రొడక్షన్లో ఉన్నారో దే ఆర్ నాట్ ఫిమేల్. సో డెఫినెట్లీ దిస్ పర్సన్ ఈజ్ మేల్. ఓకే, ఎస్ వర్క్స్ ఇన్ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ కంపెనీ యాజ్ క్యూ. సో లెట్ us put like this. In the same company as Q. Okay, neither R nor Z works in finance. Neither R nor Z works in finance. So let us put the data like this. They don't work in finance. Right. Now the lady who works in finance does not work in company C. See, a lady is there who works in finance, but she is not working for company C. Now just think. Already got like this. All these are males. Now what we understood, there are 3 females. Now see, 1, 2, 3. Definitely these 3 are females. Now they say the lady who is working in finance, okay, she is not in which company? She does not work in company C. Now see, this person cannot be a finance person, this person cannot be a finance person. So definitely this data should be here. Understood? So please note, this person is a female, finance department. Okay, she is not working in company C. Okay, she is not working company C. Okay, now based on that, what you can say, definitely we have to say that this person is working in A. Understood? A, and this person is working in A. Okay, now understand, definitely these people are different companies. Why we have taken A? Because there are 3 females, each one is working in different company. Automatically this person is female, right? So ikkada manaki female kabatti B vastundi. B kabatti ikkada A ravali. Automatically this person is C, because each lady is working in each different company. This is the data. Now see, we got 2 finance, production, personal, account. Automatically the other 2 people are marketing. So this person is a marketing person, this person is as well as a marketing person, this person is a female. Okay, now see, P and R are from B, QST, see QST, okay, they are from A, WZ from C. Clear? So who are the females? Q, R and Z. Right. Come on, 41st. Which of the following pairs of friends work in marketing? Marketing, ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారు? R and Z, RZ. So answer is RZ. That is not given. So 41st, fifth option. 42. In which company does Q work? Q works in which company? A. So 43, first option. 44. What is the field of work of Z? Z and Z a department unnadu. Z is in marketing department. So 44th, fourth option. 45. Which of the following three represents ladies? Right. Q, R, Z. Q, R, Z. Answer is 45th question, second option. Right. Come on. 46 to 50. Now this is based on coding, decoding. Now please note, whenever you get this kind of coding, decoding, what you do, don't try to solve everything. You have to know a shortcut or a technique. మీరు ఏం చూడాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చదవండి. క్వశ్చన్స్లో ఏ డేటా అంటే ఏ వర్డ్ కోడింగ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నారో అది మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. ఓకే, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సాల్వ్ ఇట్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఆల్వేస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఆల్వేస్ హ్యావ్ ఏ ఫోకస్డ్ అప్రోచ్. ఏవైతే అడిగారో వాటి మీద ఫోకస్ చేయాలి, అంతా డీకోడ్ చేసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. రైట్. నౌ సీ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద కోడ్ ఫర్ ఆర్? Now see, when you look at all the four statements, R is there only in the fourth statement. Okay, fourth statement. Appudu manaki R kavalante em cheyali? Inkekada ledu. Remaining you have to find out. Come on, the is there in the first statement, fourth statement, that is equal to key. Next, lights. See, light is there in the second statement, fourth statement. So we can find out. In the same way, better is there in third statement, fourth statement. So we can definitely say that R is equal to Ju. Ju. So 46th, first option. Next, what is the following? Which of the following is a code for 1? Now see, 1 is there in where? In the first statement. 1 is there in the first statement. So first statement ekkada ledu. Appudu em cheyali manam? You have to find out India. You have to find out the match. See, India, where is there India? India is there in the first statement as well as in the third statement. So based on that, we can say India is equal to 2. Okay, so in that way, if you take 1, you see you can find out is there in the first statement, fourth statement. Match is there in the first statement, second statement. So match is equal to is equal to key. So 1 is equal to, answer is 1 is equal to ni. 47th, fourth option. You remember one thing, మనం ఏమైతే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసామో అవి మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా రాసి పెట్టుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద కోడ్ ఫర్ ప్లేడ్? Played is there in the second statement as well as in the third statement. That's the only common word. Chudandi meeru, played is the only common word in the second statement, third statement, that is tick. So played is equal to tick. 48th, fourth option. 49. What does CHU stands for? CHU already మనం find out chesam. CHU stands for India. So 49, third option. 50th. Which of the following is a code for match? Match in the already మనం find out chesam. Match is equal to la. So 50th question, answer is first option. Yeah, now let us discuss 51 to 55. See, that is based on the set of numbers. Okay, right. Come on. See, first question. If all the three digits of each of the numbers are multiplied together, the product of which of the following numbers will be the second highest? Hope you understood the question. Each number లో ఏమైతే డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ మనం మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఎంత? చూడండి, మీరు 571 తీసుకుంటే 35. 5 into 7 into 1. సో డోంట్ కీప్ ఆన్ డూయింగ్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. ప్రతిదీ మీరు పేపర్ పెట్టకండి, చూడంగానే ట్రై చేయండి, ముందు అట్లా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. 863, 8 6 48, 48 3 నాట్ మ్యాచింగ్. ఎంతది హైయెస్ట్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది? అది 132. ఓకే, 48 3s are kada 120 144. Come on, next one తీసుకోండి. 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 56. Okay, next 6 5s are 30, 34s are 120. See, ఇందాక మనకి అక్కడ ఎంత వచ్చింది 144 120. So definitely 654 is the second highest అయ్యొచ్చు. Next one తీసుకోండి 912, 9 2s are 18. Simple. So answer is 654. 51st question, fourth option. 52. If all the digits of each of the numbers are arranged in ascending order, or what is ascending order? You have to go from small to big, okay? Increasing order, ascending order within the number, how many numbers thus formed will be divisible by 3? So which of the numbers will be divisible by 3? Come on, take first one. 157, no, that is not divisible by 3. 368, that's not divisible by 3. Next, 247. 427, 247 kada, ascending order, not divisible. So now please not, yeah, take next one. 654, so it becomes 456. 456, yeah, divisible by 3. Take 912, yeah, 129 divisible by 3. So 2 numbers are there. So 52nd question, third option. 53. If one is subtracted from each even digit of each of the numbers, in how many numbers thus formed will a digit appear twice within the number? Yeah, so wherever even digit is there, there you have to subtract 1. 571 తీసుకోండి, దాంట్లో ఈవెన్ డిజిట్స్ లేవు, పక్కన పెట్టండి. 863, 6 ఉంది కదా, 6 minus 1 5, 853 అక్కడ డిజిట్ ట్వైస్ రాలే. 427, నో, 42 అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది 31, మ్యాచ్ నాట్ మ్యాచింగ్. యు టేక్ 654, 654 5 654 కదా, 6 ఇది, సో -1 అంటే 554, సో మ్యాచింగ్ డిజిట్ twice. In the same way, take next one, 912, yeah, say 912, 2 ante even, so -1, so double 1 వచ్చింది అక్కడ. So answer is 2 numbers are there. So 53, second option. 54. If the position of first and second digit of each of the numbers are interchanged, ante first digit comes to second position, second digit comes to first position, what will be the product of the first and third digits of the second highest number thus formed? Okay, so 571 ante 7 comes to 5 place, 5 comes to second place, product of the first and third digit అప్పుడు ఎంత వస్తుంది? 7 comes to first place, 7 1s are 7 వస్తుంది. 863 తీసుకోండి, 6 comes to first place, 6 3s are 18 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, 18. సో మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి, ఫస్ట్ ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి? 7 వచ్చింది, నెక్స్ట్ 18 వచ్చింది. నెక్స్ట్ తీసుకోండి మీరు 427, 2 7s are 14 అవుతుంది, 14. నెక్స్ట్ 5 4s are 20, fourth number 20, so this is highest. Next 1 2s are 2, so this is second highest, this is first highest, this second highest. So 18 ante answer is 863. Answer is 863. So 54th question, fourth option. 55. What will be the product of the second digit of the second lowest number and the third digit of the second highest number? Second digit of the second lowest number. See, when you look at the number, see 571 is a second lowest number. Second digit enti 7. Okay. Then third digit of the second highest number, that is 863. This is third digit. So product of 7 and 3. 7 3s are 21. So answer is 55, first option. Now please note, as I've told you earlier, if at all you want to take this online test seriously, you are supposed to listen to the classes first. మీకు కాన్సెప్ట్ వస్తేనే మీరు ఈ టెస్ట్ అని బాగా చేయగలరు. కాన్సెప్ట్ లేకుండా ఇది చేయడం కష్టం. ఇది ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే బాహుబలి పార్ట్ 1 చూడకుండా బాహుబలి పార్ట్ 2 చూసేటట్టు ఉంటుంది. అర్థమైందా అండి? సో దట్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్ మీరు కాన్సెప్ట్ అంతా వస్తేనే ఈ పేపర్స్ మీరు సాల్వ్ చేయగలరు. రైట్, come on, come to 56 to 60. Yeah, that is based on mixed series. Right, come on, 56th question. See what they say, if all the symbols and numbers are dropped from the above arrangement. See what all the symbols that are there, what all the numbers that are there, that you have to drop it. Then which of the following will be 15 from the right hand? Come on, మీరు సింబల్స్ నెంబర్స్ డ్రాప్ చేసి రైట్ నుంచి కౌంట్ చేసుకోండి అంటే ఏం అర్థం ఏంటి? యూ హెవ్ జస్ట్ కౌంట్ ద లెటర్స్. కమ్ ఆన్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద లెటర్స్? సే DVMAYQB N, come on, what is the answer now? Answer is 15E. So 56th, third option, E. 57. How many such numbers are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by? Okay, how many such numbers are there in the above arrangement? Come on, put the number. Each of which is immediately preceded by what? Symbol, and immediately followed by letter. So you have to find out symbol, number, letter. See how many are there? $4F is there. Next, beta 8, yeah, beta 8V is there. So 2 are there. So 57th question, answer is third option. 58. Which of the following is 7 to the left of 12 from the right of the upper? So we can straight away apply shortcut. 7 left, 12 right. So left right combination kada opposite. So appudu em cheyali manam add cheyali. So 12 plus 7, 19th. 19th element from the right hand. 19th element from the right hand. Come on, count. 19th element from the right hand. Yeah, that is U. So please note, answer is 58th question, third option. 59. What will come in place of the question mark based upon the given seating arrangement? Come on, given series, given arrangement. Academic 7 hash G. Come on, see 7 hash G and range 7 is hash ante plus 3. G ante minus 1. After that, they have taken EF. E ante chodandi 7 hash G. R udilesaru. One element is left out. After that, again they have taken E. E nunchi malla plus 3 minus 1. After that, again F tarvata K udilesaru. They have taken 1. Akkadi nunchi plus 3 minus 1. In the same way, they have taken 2, 5, 1. Okay, 2, 5, 1. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనం? We have left one element, leave one element. So take Q at the rate 6. Q at the rate 6. So answer is second option. Next, 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way based on the above arrangement, which is not matching. Come on, see first one, EGR. EGR, see minus 3 plus 2. Okay, EGR. E నుంచి G back వెళ్తున్నాం మనం. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. minus 3 plus 2. Okay, come on, next one తీసుకోండి. $K. Yeah, అది కూడా అట్లాగే ఉంది కదా. beta at the rate M. That's also correct. But you take NB2. See NB2, see it's not matching. NB అంటే ఏమో plus 3 తీసుకుంటున్నాం మనం. So that is answer. So please note 60th question, fourth option. Yeah, come on, now come to 61 to 65. So again, let us discuss syllogisms. Syllogisms. Yeah, come on, see. They've given you, first of all, read what they say. Observe the statement carefully and choose the option by finding out the validity of the given conclusions. Okay, right, come on. Take statements, all drums are cars, some cars are plants. Right, come on, let us draw the diagram. 61. All drums are cars, some cars are plants, all plants are tracks. So basic diagram, all plants are tracks. Come on, see now. Some tracks are drums, no track is drum. See, whenever you are attempting syllogisms questions, you have to see the conclusions. First conclusions అన్ని చూడాలి మీరు. డయాగ్రామ్ వేసిన తర్వాత అయినా సరే పర్లేదు, చూడాలి. అన్ని conclusions చూసి మనం చూడాలి. See, some tracks are drums. See the second one, no drum is track. Straight away we can say answer is either 1 or 2, because see drum track, there is no negativity here, so there is a possibility that some drums can be tracks. So answer is either 1 or 2. Now take for third one, all tracks being plant is a possibility. Say a simple shortcut, when you look at here, there is no negativity among the given terms. So when there is no negativity, any positive possibility is valid. So simple. So answer is only 3 with either 1 or 2 follows. So 61st question, third option. Come on, 62. All fingers are bats, all bats are roots. Come on, let us put it here. 62nd, all fingers are bats, all bats are roots, all roots are cots. Right, come on. Again, see, again same technique. Observe the conclusions. Some cots are definitely not bats, all cots are bats. Yeah, see there is no negativity here. Some cots are not bats, when it is valid, automatically second one is not valid. But there is no, see, there is no negativity here. So we can combine all the circles. We can say that all chords can be bats. So automatically answer is either 1 or 2. Answer is either 1 or 2. Now take third one. All those roots, all these roots which are fingers must be bats. Yeah, that is correct. All roots, if they are fingers, they must be bats. That is correct. So answer is either 1 or 2 with third follows with 3. So please note answer is third option, 62, third option. 63. Come on, 63rd question. Third question. All utensils are diamonds. Okay. Next, some diamonds are stones. Some stones are pots. Okay, basic. Come on. First one. Some pots are diamonds. No, that is wrong. Some diamonds are utensils. That is correct. Second one is valid. First one is wrong. Second one is correct. Okay. Third one. Some pots which are stones need not necessarily be diamonds. Yeah, that is correct. Need not be. Correct. That is correct. So 2 and 3 are valid. So 63rd, second option. 64. Yeah, see, first of all, read all the statements, find out how to draw the diagram. See, no paper is ring, all magazines are papers, all bangles are rings. Right, so all magazines, come on, all magazines are papers. Now see, no paper is ring, no paper is ring, negativity. Then all bangles, see, all bangles are rings, like this. Come on. Now, some bangles are papers, absolutely wrong. Okay, definitely false. No ring is paper, that is correct. Second one is valid. No any magazine is bangle. Now please note, SBI POs is known for this kind of innovation. See what the conclusion is given there. No any magazine is bangle. If you refer SBI POs 2009, they've asked you 5 questions on syllogisms, and if you refer to the conclusions, they have given you this kind of statements. No any. చూడంగానే ఏమనిపిస్తుంది, అసలు నో ఎనీ ఏంటా అనిపిస్తుంది, మనకి కన్ఫ్యూషన్ వస్తుంది. సి ప్లీజ్ నాట్, నో ఎనీ మ్యాగజైన్ ఇస్ బ్యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు నో మ్యాగజైన్ ఇస్ బ్యాంగిల్. అండర్స్టూడ్? సో దెర్ ఇస్ నో డిఫరెన్స్ ఎట్ ఆల్. సో నో మ్యాగజైన్ ఇస్ బ్యాంగిల్, వ్యాలిడ్. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 2 and 3 are valid. So 64th, second option. Simple bit, right? Come on, 65, last question. All sticks are pins, some pins are blades. Or come on, simple bit. Come on, let us draw that. All sticks are pins. Okay, some pins are blades. Next, all blades are stickers. Stickers. Okay, right. Come on. Some stickers are pins. Some stickers are pins. That is correct. Okay. Some pens are sticks. Yeah, that is also correct. All stickers can never be sticks. That is wrong, because all stickers can be stickers. That is the reason that is wrong. So answer is 1 and 2 follow. So 65th question, only first one is valid. Understood? Okay. So I thank you very much.